Do not assume it is a drill. I repeat, do not assume it is a drill. There is an anomaly tree man on the loose. It is very hostile towards humans. If you are far away from it and you spot it, run away from it in the opposite direction. If you are close by, there is a chance it might follow. But you can do something else that you can do to survive. This only works if you are outside your house, like a street, field, or forest. But first, let's talk about what it looks like. It has ghost-like white skin with long arms. It also has a terrifying face with sharp teeth to chop down its target. It is basically just like Tree Man from Trevor Henderson. But now, here's what to do if you encounter this anomaly. 1. Run to your home as fast as you can if you are outside. Do not go back outside when we haven't declared it as sad to go back outside. Distract yourself by TV, phone or iPad or anything that distracts you. Do not save any friends or family member. 2. If you are far away from your home, you can hide in a car instead. The creature is too tall to see you. And if it can see you, drive away from it. It can't catch up to you. It is very slow compared to a car. 3. Hide behind a tree so it doesn't see you. Escape when you see it chase someone else and perform step 1. We Razor military are trying to stop and contain the anomaly. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.